In this video, we're making the ultimate crispy Parmesan garlic chicken wings, a perfect blend of crunchy, savory, and irresistibly tasty. First, start by prepping your chicken wings. You'll need about a dozen wings, which you should pat dry to ensure they crisp up beautifully. Then season them generously with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a touch of paprika for a little kick. In a separate bowl, mix together melted butter, minced garlic, fresh parsley, and a generous amount of grated Parmesan cheese. Toss the seasoned wings into the butter mixture, ensuring they're well coated. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, and bake the wings on a lined tray for 30 to 35 minutes, flipping halfway through for even crispiness. Once they're golden brown and crunchy, serve them with a side of your favorite dipping sauce. Trust me, these wings will have everyone asking for more.